So we're just going diving off the coast today. As you can see, water's clean as, but the islands where we're at see a fair few spearos, so I wouldn't exactly say that we filled the esky, but I shot at something and the old boy shot something at the end. Anyway, here's 3 hours worth of diving pushed into about 20 seconds.
The safety was on.
Don't you love it when the safety's on? Fucking beautiful day, bud. Dad's up there somewhere and swimming in bloody murky water. I'll go home to Sabo and maybe make fish wraps instead. I've got a bit of fish in the freezer, so do something a bit fancy. Forget about that. The old boy's got a feed. Have a go on this thing for a bluey. You checking the sights in. What do you reckon about that, mate? Hey? Fucking stonker. Look at that, 35 on the dot. Nice bluey. Tusky's only got to be like 30, so. Oh, he's perfect for the Savo. Hell yeah. Fish tacos with me bluey. Or with Dad's bluey. Anyway, fish taco. Butter in a hot pan, throw the fish in, season it with a little bit of garlic powder. Go a lot of garlic powder. Dill, lemon, herb, garlic, and a little bit of pepper. Throw your wrap on the table. The fish is cooking away. Put the avo on the wrap, smash it or not, I don't care. Assemble your sauce, Kewpie, a little bit of sriracha and lime. Throw that on top of the avo. Fish on top of that, roll it up, you're good to go. Yep. That's it.